Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make Kick on Death in Roblox Studio. Firstly, after opening Roblox Studios, head to My Games. Then head to the game you want to add a death on kick function into. So I'll head into the test game here. After the test game loads, all we have to do is go to the toolbox and under model section, we will search for Kill on Death. We will search for Kick on Death, and after the search results appear, we will see that a lot of scripts files are in here which we can add to our server. So we'll choose one which has a kick function as well as a death screen. So just click on this one, then click on OK. After that, the script file will appear with all the necessary frame and sound items. Now we have to drag it to Starter GUI. After that, we can just go ahead and click on the play button to play the game. Now the game has loaded, so now we can reset our character, or we can say kill our character. Click on the reset character button, then click on reset. Now you'll see that you died menu has popped up and the game is not progressing anymore. So in order to progress, a player has to click on escape button, then click on leave, then click on leave again, and after that they have to rejoin into the game in order to continue playing. So this is how you can add a kick on death mechanism in your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.